Welcome back. Today I will review the best high-pressure steam cleaner. This high-pressure steam cleaner is a powerful, handheld cleaning solution for your home, designed to make deep cleaning and sterilization effortless. Utilizing high-pressure and high-temperature steam, this steam cleaner is ideal for a wide range of applications, from sanitizing kitchen hoods, air conditioners, and upholstery to washing cars and cleaning stubborn grime in bathrooms. Its versatility, portability, and eco-friendly design make it a must-have tool for maintaining a cleaner, healthier home. Key features: high-temperature steam sterilization. Generates steam at temperatures up to 105 degrees Celsius (221 degrees Fahrenheit), effectively killing bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens on various surfaces without the need for harsh chemicals. Powerful high-pressure cleaning. Produces a strong and consistent steam pressure that quickly loosens and removes dirt, grease, and stains, making it suitable for challenging cleaning tasks in the kitchen, bathroom, and beyond. Multi-surface compatibility. Safely cleans a variety of surfaces, including ceramic, tile, wood, glass, fabric, and metal. It's perfect for sanitizing kitchen hoods, air conditioners, windows, curtains, and car interiors. Eco-friendly and chemical-free. Utilizes only water, making it a safe, eco-friendly solution for those looking to avoid chemical cleaners. Ideal for households with children and pets. Portable and lightweight design. Handheld and lightweight, this steam cleaner is easy to maneuver and reach tight spaces. Its ergonomic handle and compact build make cleaning efficient and fatigue-free. Quick heating system. Heats up in under 5 minutes, providing high-temperature steam almost instantly so you can start cleaning right away. Large water tank capacity. Equipped with a spacious water tank, usually around 350 to 450 milliliters, allowing for extended cleaning sessions without constant refilling. Multifunctional attachments. Comes with multiple attachments including nozzles, brushes, and squeegees to tackle different cleaning tasks. Whether you're scrubbing grout, wiping glass, or degreasing stove hoods, there's an accessory for every job. Safety lock and overheat protection. Includes a safety lock on the steam trigger to prevent accidental activation. Overheat protection ensures the device shuts off automatically when it reaches high temperatures, providing added safety during use. With this steam cleaner's high-pressure and temperature sterilization capabilities, deep cleaning and sanitizing become effortless, achieving a spotless and hygienic environment throughout your home. Perfect for daily maintenance and deep cleaning alike. That was today's review. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.